friends. So in this video, sorry, camera work sucks as usual. We're going to replace lights, the halo lights on our BMW e90, the pre-facelift, so 2008, 2005 to 2008. This body style. We have benefit of working with a sport package. You're gonna need to lift the car up. There is no way you can fit anything through there. So there's a like rubber lifting points over here. Let's see if you can get it. There we go. Okay. Make sure it's all good. Alright, usually don't want to put jack stand underneath it, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. Eight mil. So that one is a 10 mil. My camera keeps hitting the car. See them? May not even need to take it out all the way, because that is what we need right there. I think we'll just leave it as is. Plus, there's one more bolt over here. Alright, cool. So this is the guy that we need to get to. There's just two tabs over here that you need to use just a flat head. There's one tab here and one on top. So we're gonna try to pry it out real quick. Actually, looks like somebody else already tried. Might have to get this bad boy off. Okay, there we go. Alright. Get the camera off so you can see what we're talking about. There's the light right there. So we're using this guy over here, 215. Now let me see if I can put it somewhere so it can actually be visible a little bit better. I don't know how much visibility this will give us. It's very difficult trying to record and get it in the hole. Okay. Different plan. Different plan. Let's see if I can somehow, some way, mount it to something. Let's see if this will work slightly better. Okay, we got the easy one. There's one more on the other side. I'm not gonna record it because it's physically impossible for me to hold this and record at the same time. Once you get those two really long screws out, set them aside. So now we're just gonna have to disconnect this guy over here. Let's see. Right, and this actually is part of our little plastic cover here. It seems like it was very flimsy, so maybe that's why it actually wasn't working. Yeah, this is the little bulb. So the one I'm gonna use, I bought some aftermarket ones off eBay for pretty cheap, so I'm gonna try to use those. Yeah, there's also another little plastic contraption that goes on top of it. Usually pops out, but it didn't pop out with that one. So this is the aftermarket version over here. Looks quite a bit bulkier, so we'll see how that works out. Alright, so I ended up pulling the plastic tab out, and there was a little metal tab also. Remove the metal tab because aftermarket LED won't fit in it. So now, see if I can get this so you guys can see what I'm doing actually. So now we're just gonna set this up like this and pop it back in there and reuse those little bolts that we got. I'll try to hand tighten them first. once we hand thread them, we can try to one. You don't want to break the shit, so don't over tighten it. Okay. So I'm gonna just hand tighten it after that. Now I gotta test them. Okay, so this is our good halo that came up. I don't know if you could tell, but the LED ones are bright white. We are gonna replace the second one too. So since this is fairly cheap eBay kit, the connection is really weak. Like, I'm gonna grab some pliers and see if I can squeeze them down a little bit more. Let's see if I can just squeeze it just a little. Oh yeah, that definitely helps a ton. Let's see if we can squeeze this one just a little too. Is that breaking it? Perfect, perfect. So both of them are really good now. So now I'm gonna grab this bad boy and put it back in, and hopefully it doesn't burn out again. Alright, after enough tinkering, we got it in. So now we just gotta assemble this bad boy back up, and we'll be ready for another side. Another side is pretty much the same thing, so I'm not gonna make a video on another side. Alright, so now we gotta torque the wheels. Most of the Beamers, it's between 88 and 90 pounds. So we're just gonna get as close to 90 as we can. Boom, 90. Alright. Now we're just gonna torque them. I'm gonna probably get it fairly close with the gun, but you never know. Alright, got him. Alright guys, so if you enjoyed the video, if it helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you like. On this very nice 110-degree day we're having here, I think I'm probably gonna get sunburned after this. But yeah, you guys subscribe, and hopefully you guys have a good day. Take care.